chose vein care as my specialty because this is a problem that's often overlooked. People don't realize how rampant it is. Even doctors, primary care physicians, they just slap on compression stockings and just wear them and exercise, lose weight as if it's easy to do, and expect the patients to take care of everything when there are really good opportunities to have this fixed so you can improve quality of life. When I realized that, I really wanted to do this. I chose Center for Vein Restoration as where I wanted to practice because the way the medicine's going right now is either corporate versus private practice medicine. And it's really hard to just keep the lights on as a private practitioner because you just can't compete with the capital and amount of resource that corporations have to provide. However, at the same time, a lot of corporations are just really for profit, where I do not want to work because I'm for patients, not for profit. That's why I became a doctor. Center for Vein Restoration is an entity that's driven by physicians, and their main interest is about taking care of patients. And my purpose aligns with their purpose. So I chose Center for Vein Restoration. My philosophy in patient care. So I think it evolves as I get older. When I just graduated from medical school, I was a gung-ho doctor. I wanted to go out there and do a lot of procedures and take care of a bunch of patients. And I guess I really didn't realize how important it was to hold hands and just make sure that I see through every step with the patients. You don't really realize what kind of horrifying and uncomfortable position that is to be a patient until you become one. So I have a chance to become a physician. That was not really pleasant, but I realized what it felt like. So once I realized that, I could really empathize with the patients when they are scared and when they have a lot of questions. And so I tend to take my time and just really make sure that they understand every step of the way. My unique skill in vein care in specific, I have to say every doctor at Center for Vein Restoration has the knowledge base and the skill sets to practice and treat patients. What's unique about me is that I have elderly parents. So every time I see patients, I think about how my parents are getting care from their providers. And I try to treat the patients as if I'm treating my family member. And I do that in genuine ways. And for every patient, I try really hard to like them because if I don't, it shows. I have a lot of micro expressions in my face and I can't lie. People will know. So I genuinely like my patients. And that's where my starting point is, and that's what makes me unique. I want my patients to know that I'll treat them as if I'm treating my family member. That's my philosophy in being a doctor. Either that or I should just quit being a doctor and go home. I want my referring providers to know that they can always pick up the phone to call me. I'm always happy to discuss about patient care. So just feel free to call me. I grew up in New York, went to college and medical school residency fellowship, all done New York metropolitan area. I became a board certified general surgeon first and board certified in vascular surgery. And I've been practicing vascular surgery, full spectrum, arterial, venous, all that, for a couple of years until I realized that my true passion lies with vein care. So that's what I do 100% of the time now. That's my background. Oh, and my second home is Hawaii, because my parents decided to retire to Hawaii. So I've been going there since 12, 13 years ago, and it became my home. Only thing I want to emphasize when it comes to care that you will be receiving in Phoenix office Center for Vein Restoration is that I believe in team work. I believe in teamwork. It's gonna be from the moment you pick up the phone to make an appointment till your last appointment that we're gonna work as a cohesive unit to take care of you, from a receptionist to ultrasonographer, medical assistant, and doctors, and we're gonna work in unison to really make sure that you're comfortable, that this is going to be your home away from home for a while.